friends! Today I'm gonna show you how to make this cute snake ring. Let's get started. So first, I take a piece of green polymer clay and roll it into a long stripe. Reserve some clay at the head of the snake. Sculpt some detail on the head. You can use small round objects like beads to install the eyes. I'm adding some skin details using a clay tool with some texture. I'm wrapping the snake around my finger and trying to figure out a shape that I like. I carefully secure the snake using aluminum foil and clips to prepare for baking. Once baked, it's time to add color. I start by coloring the body of the snake with white. Now use yellow to transition between green and white. Use dark green to color the top part of the snake. Deepen the color with blue. Finally, embellish with white pattern. I'm pretty happy with the result right now. This is the final result after glazed. If you like my video, please thumbs up and subscribe my channel. Thank you.